had already jumped 26 feet in his trial। जेतेबेले खेल पूर्वर खेलाड़ी मान भितर गोटे ट्रायल हुए से मैंने ट्रायल करते किए केते फिट डेई पार्जी तो सही समय से देखिले जेसी वेन्स गॉट सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन ही सॉ दैट ए जर्मन परफॉर्मर नेम्ड लजलंग had already jumped 26 feet in his trial so in his trial on his practice in his trial on his practice so you note it down and write in this way so that you will get good marks in your examinations। What did he learn from people? What did he learn from people about Lojlong? I was told that Hitler had kept him under wraps, evidently hoping he would win the jump. I suppose that if Long won, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority. So let us see. The answer is, what did he learn from people? He learned from the people, or he was told. Jesse Owens, question number 6. Jesse Owens was told. Jesse Owens was told that Hitler had kept Lojlong under secret. Under secret, evidently hoping he would win the long jump. Win the long jump. You see, से लोक मान ठारू जानिबा को पाइले जेसी वेन्स वाज टोल्ड एटे पासिव वॉइस लिखा जाइछि माने टोल्ड बाय द पीपल जेसी वेन्स ताने पीपल टोल्ड हिम दैट हिटलर had kept Lojlong under secret तांको लुकायित करी रखा जाइथिला एविडेंटली माने परिष्कार भाव रे होपिंग आशा करथिले he would win the long jump। What did he learn from the people? He learned from the people that he was kept under secret। Now the last question is seventh question। Do you think Nazi's Aryan superiority theory meant that Germans were superior to Negroes? How did Owens feel about it? Perhaps Jesse Owens was somehow was angry. Jesse Owens was somewhat angry at the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. Angry at the Aryan superiority theory. तांको मन भितरे टिके क्रोध जात होइथिला कारण सेटा बहिरे देइजे लिटिल हॉट अंडर द कोलार मीन्स से आंग्री हो जाइथिले अबाउट हिटलर्स वेज जो वे रे हिटलर भाबुथिले जे समग्र विश्व रे ताको जाति श्रेष्ठ बोली सेइथिरे से टिके ए कांसेप्ट वाज नॉट राइट. जेसी ओवेन्स थॉट दैट हिटलर्स थॉट वाज रॉन्ग. superior to Negroes. How did Owens feel it? So Germans theory meant that Germans were superior to Negroes. He did not believe in this theory. ए थियोरी उपरे जेसी ओवेन्सଙ୍କର विश्वास नथिला. तेणु मनीष हिसाब से रक्त मांस शरीर भितर निश्चित भाव से टिके क्रोध आसी जाइथिबो कि आसवा उचित नुहे आसी जाइथिला. व्हाट मेड ओवेन्स डिटरमिन टू बीट लजलंग? दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू बी डिस्कस्ड. सो यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन. All the answers are in the book. You have to find out them and you have to write correctly. Otherwise, the answers will be wrong and you will not get good marks in the examination. So, what made Owens determined to beat Lajong? I suppose that if Lajong would add some new support to the Nazis Aryan superiority theory. After all, I am a Negro, a little hot under the collar about Hitler's ways. I determined to go out there and really show. So what made I determined to go out there and really show Der Führer and his master race who was superior and who wasn't. So Owens determined से संकल्पबद्ध हेले बा संकल्प कले. कौन संकल्प कले? जे टू गो आउट देयर, टू गो आउट देयर निश्चित भाव बर्लिन ओलंपिक गेम रु देयर कहले से गेम रु से कौन करेंगे? गो आउट देयर एंड रियली शो एंड रियली वास्तव से देखदेवे. रियली शो Hitler and his master race who was superior, and who wasn't, देख पिले मुझे जो लिखली जेसुएंस डिटरमिन से पूरा पूरी संकल्प करने गले टू गो आउट से जगार जीवे कौन कर गो आउट देयर मीन्स फ्रॉम द बर्लिन ओलंपिक्स एंड रियली शो हिटलर को से देखई देवे एंड हिज मास्टर रेस हु वाज सुपीरियर जे वास्तव में किए सुपीरियर आउ किए इनफेरियर यही फीलिंगटा तांको हृदय भीतर को टच कर जाइथिला। नाउ द क्वेश्चंस वेर ऑलमोस्ट डिस्कस्ड एंड यू माइट हैव written down all these answers. Thank you.